In today's world, industries are more emphasizing on sustainability, and LCA life cycle assessment is a key strategy to circular economy. But traditional LCA are slow, expensive, expert dependent, and error prone when key data is missing. Now, here comes our AI driven LCA, which speeds things up, cut cost and energy use, and reduces carbon emission. Let we select material, production route, scrap source, end of life pathway, quantity, units, and if there is any parameter which is missing, click on estimate missing data, which will generate the estimated data based using the prediction model. And when we click on generate assessment, it will predict energy consumption, CO2 emission, and circulatory score. Now comes the impact assessment, which is divided into 4 sections: emission, energy, resource use, and circulatory. In emission, we have reduced 12% carbon footprint, 8% nitrogen oxides, and 15% sulfur dioxide. There's a graph of emission by stage to show the major hotspots and emission distribution. Here is the AI recommendation system, which will help decision maker to make decision even with a limited data. Now comes the energy section, in which we have reduced 5% processing energy, energy by stages graph, and energy distribution, and AI recommendation system. Now comes the resource use, in which we have reduced 20% water use, 8% energy input, resource use by stages, and resource use distribution in different categories. Now comes the AI recommendation system, which will enhance the overall process. In circulatory, there is a 65% recycled content through our model and 78% reuse potential. Circulatory by stages, circular distribution, and AI recommendation system to enhance the overall recycling process. Now comes the best part of our website, which is comparison between traditional process and modern LCA. In this, for instance, we have reduced 39.1% carbon emission, 28.6% cost, and 33.7% time using modern LCA. There's the process contribution of different processes, difference between traditional process and modern LCA, material secure circularity, transport mode distribution, and key insight to optimize the overall process. Now comes the report section, which will give you the overall assessment of a batch which has been done using AI driven LCA. There are various parameters, for instance, CO2 emission, energy uses, and recycled content. What is the current status? How is about baselines? How we have changed, and what are targets? Now comes the impact insight, material composition, process impact comparison, 6-month trend analysis, that how far we can go using this model, and AI recommendation system, so that we can optimize the overall efficiency of our process and data quality and transparency. Now, if we click on download PDF button, this report will be converted into PDF, and through this we can get a report in this PDF format, as you can see here. Now comes the dashboard section of our model, which will give you the sustainability goals, anomaly alerts, compliance update, and various other parameters to give you the overall assessment what our AI driven LCA is doing. Thank you for watching.